Hi, I'm Kurt Robertson, and welcome to Rockin Pricing. Now, this is the introductory version of the movie to Rockin Pricing. So I'm briefly going to describe the features that Rockin Pricing has. So we're going to go through and take a look at what these buttons do. Now, this is the home screen. This is the first screen that you see after you click your verification that you're going to check the pricing. For the updates. Now, there are several buttons up at the top here, and I'm going to go through what each one of these does. The home screen is right where we are, so that's very important. We're going to click on the home screen. This is where it will take us, where it has the gear logo. That is the setup. So the setup is right here. We click on there, it goes to setup. The address book. What this is a list of who your vendors are, who you want to list as your vendors, whether it's a lab or a frame company or packaging or whatever. Now, and it's basically a simple address book. It has a website address, which I'll get to when I show this to you, and some account information. This red shopping basket is things that you buy from vendors. So, for example, if I buy a 14 by 14 gallery wrap, I'm buying that from Allied Photographic, okay? So, and it'll have a unique item number, which we'll get to in a little while, but it's pretty simple. Some of these have pictures in them for a picture of the item. If you want to include that, you don't need to, but it's very handy. So, very simple. Where we have the white shopping bag right here, these are items that you sell to your clients. So, for example, we click on this, we're going to create items that you sell to your clients. Now, when we create items, we are not creating packages of items, we're creating single items. And why is it important to do this? If you don't know how much the single items are, how can you package it and put a price on it? It doesn't make sense. So you have to build your single items first, then you can build your packages, okay? So, speaking of packages, where you see the two shopping bags next to each other, guess what that is? That is your packages that you are selling. If you're going to package your products, this will let you build packages from your items. Okay, that's very important. The Rockin Pricing logo, and there's one other thing at the end here. There's a little screwdriver and a wrench. What this is a toolbar. And this toolbar is available in all of the layouts. Most of the time, you're going to want to leave this toolbar up. There are a few rare instances where it might be a little easier for some people with small laptop screens to leave it down, but mostly we're going to leave that toolbar up. And anyways, that's the introduction to Rockin Pricing. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll click on the home screen again. One thing I did want to mention to you is that we do have social media. We're trying to be very social media savvy. So there's Facebook, Twitter, I'm getting the LinkedIn page going, Google+. This, of course, is YouTube, and we have our website. And these are all, it is the day after Labor Day, and we introduced it the afternoon on Labor Day. So if there's anything that we're missing, we're working on getting it up there as fast as we can, so you can start enjoying instruction and we can get feedback on our product. One thing here for that, if you click on any of these, you will be taken to the websites. So, for example, there we go. This is going to go to rockinpricing.com. Sorry, internet connection's a little slow when I use QuickTime to record the screen at the same time. But it will go there. And it will go to the social media sites the same way as it goes to this as well. So you're going to be able to click on there and get answers to questions that you're looking for, okay? Just like so. There we go. Once again, thank you for buying Rockin Pricing. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. There's a contact button on the website here where you can send us a message. Here's my email address. Or if you prefer, from 9 till 5 Eastern Standard Time, we do have telephone support, which is at 517-782-3974. If I am unavailable, please leave a message. I will call you back as soon as I can. One thing to remember is I am a working photographer, so I have sessions and things that come up just like you all do. Anyways, once again, thank you for buying Rockin Pricing.